So, hello, what's up? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Ayan, hello po. Ayan, welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking the video. So, for this video, I will be showing you my recent photos that I take with the help of my brother. For the J. Edloy Home Quarantine Photo Challenge. So ayan, shoutout pala kay J. Edloy. Thank you for the challenge and this is my entry for that challenge. Okay, ayan. As you can see on that video, I have shown you that even at home, you can achieve high quality photos with the help of your family members in capturing the photos itself. If you're wondering what photo technique or photo style did I use in taking those surreal photographs you have seen earlier, the technique is called long exposure. So yeah, long exposure is a technique in which you use your camera and, by the way, don't forget to dial your camera in manual mode in order for you to achieve this type of technique in taking photos. Ayan. So next is you choose the most slowest shutter speed in your camera, which is 30 seconds. Ayan. If you take the photograph right now, you may notice that your camera, when you click that shutter button, you may notice that your camera turn off suddenly because your camera is on the process of taking the photograph in a duration of 30 seconds. Diyan niyo po ma-realize na ang haba talaga ng 30 seconds. In spite, 30 seconds lang siya. So, ayan. Next is, you choose the aperture around 14 or maybe the smallest aperture that your camera or your lens can handle, so that you may limit the input of light through your camera sensor. The smallest aperture that your lens can handle, the good aperture. you may use the lowest ISO setting, which is around 100, and some cameras can go below as 50 or 45, I guess. I don't think so. Maybe around that range of the ISO. And next is you may set your camera in timer mode, or you may get help from some of your family members to help you take that kind of photograph and using that technique. As you have seen earlier on that behind the scenes video of the actual photo shoot, you can see that the room is totally blacked out, and you have seen that I have used limited light sources, around 2 light sources, with the use of the glowing air purifier with multicolor RGB, and with the help of my key light right there, which can emit white. Help of the jelly cover, you may turn the light into orange light. And next is in order to achieve this photo, or in order to achieve this type of photography style, don't forget to use a tripod in taking this type of photographs, because as you know, you have put your camera in the slowest shutter speed itself. So basically, as you can see here in this diagram here, that which is I search upon Google to make it visually appealing and make it visible for you to estimate the right setting to be used in this photography technique that you may be interested in. And ayan po. And you may also see my other photos which I have used this type of technique in photography on my Instagram account. You may visit it and see those awesome photographs right there. And also, you may check out my Facebook page, which is that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and shout out to Jay Adloy. Thank you so much for this wonderful challenge, and I hope everyone else do this challenge as well, because we are still in quarantine and you don't want your skill or talent itself to be rusty, I guess. And you may also visit this channel over there. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope you subscribe and ring that bell notification for more video updates and more photography and DIY stuff on my channel, and more to come contents on this channel. Bye! Thank you so much!